Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to use generative fill in Photoshop beta. So this is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So here, say for example, we have a photo that we would want to use in our Photoshop. So as you can see, we have a photo of a beach. What I did is that I just simply selected in area. What I used is like a form of lasso tool, and then say for instance we want to add some coconut trees right here. So let me just retype that. Instead of bamboo trees, I'm gonna input coconut trees. Now, as you can see, what you're going to do next is just to simply wait for it to be processed. All right, and then afterwards, um, you will be able to see the results once everything has been generated. And there you have it. So some coconut trees has been added into this section, as you can see. Now what we can do is that I'm going to select the freeform lasso tool right here. Alright, so here with the freeform lasso tool, I'm going to create a boat or add a boat here in the ocean. So what I'm going to do is to simply draw the shape of a boat, and then basically here I'm going to click on generative fill and then add boat right there. Now you just need to wait for it, and basically you can actually see a boat being added afterwards. All right, there. So you can actually see variations in the side, and as well as like here, there are actually side arrows with 1/3, 2/3, and those are like different variations of the boat. So there you have it. That's how you can use your Photoshop generative fill. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful.